Hey guys, welcome back in this new video. In today's video I want to show you how to fix the EA application not updating on Linux. This will work even if you have a Steam Deck, because if you don't know, the Steam Deck runs Linux. This fix will work for any Linux PC, every single distribution and the Steam Deck. So let's begin. So I have the EA application installed on Steam as a non-Steam game, but you can also add it through Heroic Games Launcher and the process will be exactly the same. So if I try to open the EA application right now, it's gonna, update Proton first, and after Proton has finished updating, it's going to open the EA app. Now, I will get an error because the EA app at the moment requires an update. So as you can see, it's saying I need to restart the application. And the problem is that, I click restart right now, but it seems like it's working, it seems like it's downloading something. The issue is that once it finishes downloading, it will not actually update the application itself. And so you can download the update 1,000 times and it's not gonna work. As you can see, I've opened the application again and it says the same thing. So now, how do we fix this? The first thing that we have to do is click on restart. I've already done it, I've shown you. I'm going to do it again just to show you. So I click on restart again. This is the first step on how to fix this issue, because we actually want the EA application to install the update. It is not going to apply the update, but it has installed the update. So we're going to do some manual tweaking, don't worry, it is super easy. So now that the application closed itself after installing the update, we're going to open our file manager. But before doing that, you want to click on manage if you're on Steam, go to properties and see where is the location. You can find it in starting here for our prefix. And if you are on Heroic Games Launcher, it's extremely easy. So if you are on Heroic and you want to find the path of the Proton prefix, you just have to click on the three lines right here, go into wine, and here it is, wine prefix folder. So you can literally copy this, and then we're going to open our file manager. So I'm going to copy this one and I am going to paste it inside the file manager so that I can go directly into the Proton prefix folder. And here I'm gonna click on prefix right here, drive C, and then we're gonna go into program files, Electronic Arts, EA Desktop, and here you will see that we have a folder called Staged EA Desktop. Now, basically this folder contains the updated version, but for some reason it didn't finish transferring the contents of this folder inside its folder right here, EA Desktop, and so we're going to do this manually. So we want to open the staged EA Desktop folder, and we're going to open the EA Desktop folder inside the staged EA Desktop, and we're going to select everything. I can just press on Ctrl+A and it will select automatically, and we're going to copy everything. You can do that with Ctrl+C if you don't know these shortcuts. So I have copied all these files, and so we are going to go back. So we'll go back one time, we go back two times, so that we are back in the folder where we have the staged EA Desktop folder and the EA Desktop folder. And now, as the last step, we're going to open the EA Desktop folder and we're going to paste everything. So here you want to click on Apply All and check the checkbox, and then click on Write Into. And also, if it asks this, you click again on Apply All and you click on Overwrite. And he has copied everything. So now this is all we had to do to fix it. If we open the EA app again here, it's going to work. The update is going to be there. And so this is the easiest fix you can find out there. It literally requires less than 1 minute and it is updated. It's not asking me to restart the application and update it again. And we have successfully updated the EA Desktop application on Linux, so you don't have to uninstall it and reinstall everything again every single time there is an update. You can just use this method that I've shown you and it's going to work, and it's super easy. So it's amazing. Yeah, it's actually amazing. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want, because it really helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a nice day.